no liquid foundation, and of course, no concealer. But this is how it's going to look. Today's makeup is for absolute beginners who are scared to use makeup. Honestly, that's the kind of makeup I actually do at a daily basis, which is what my channel or my makeup is known for. So we're going to keep it simple. We're going to just use a little moisturizer because makeup on dry face is an absolute no. Just blend it in absolutely well. Use a powder foundation. I prefer a Studio Fix by MAC. You can use any compact or powder of your choice. Just not a talcum powder, of course, but a kind of compact will do. That's how you just start with your base. So that the ones who are scared of liquid foundations and concealers, this is a perfect step for you and it's going to work. Take a light brown eyeshadow and a soft eyeshadow brush. Tap off the extra product always and apply it on your upper eyelid. This step contours your eye. Use any kind of a neutral shade for this step. Take it up to your crease line, which is your guide, because some people don't know how high to go. And if you have hooded eyes, then you go higher. I do videos about a few fancy looks whenever I'm going to a fancy place, but my channel or my page is mainly known for repetitive daily makeup routine looks, which is what I've seen most women want. Most palettes have a shimmer shade, so just take that on your finger and dab it on to your upper eyelid. Don't go for perfection, just keep blending till it really blends in well and there are no harsh lines. That is something you can see yourself and you'll know when to stop. I'm doing a simple smoky kajal look. You'll see many videos where I've done this, and honestly it's one of the easiest and the most effective eye makeup looks out there, especially for beginners. Now take a kajal and use it on your lower waterline. One of the best ways to make sure that your kajal doesn't leak or bleed is to actually smudge it from before. That also makes your line look equal. It even makes it look even. Yeah, that's exactly what I mean. Also, now take a flat smudge brush. The one I'm using is discontinued, but I've captioned one by Color Bar that is available. And this will smudge out your kajal in a smooth way. I use my personal products. I'm not promoting anything here. When I'm promoting something, you'll know. All I'm saying is go for the technique and use brands of your choice. Now take a dark brown eyeshadow and a smudge brush and go smudge further. When you smudge it with a brown under a black kohl, you get a smoky effect. This is quite an effective step. Do give it a try if you're a beginner and let me know if it works. I always set my eyebrows with a gel so it stays in place. Curl your eyelashes if you're comfortable, but make sure you complete your eye makeup with a good mascara. If you're afraid of how you're going to remove it, just soften it with some coconut oil and use baby wipes and all of it will come off. If you want to use the same products as me, I've captioned them. All you need to do is type exactly what I've captioned either into Nykaa, Tira Beauty, Sephora and sometimes Amazon. But the reason I don't share links is because it expires in a month. So either you try brands of your choice by following the technique or just type in exactly what I've captioned in the video. I always prime my lips with a nude lip liner. This makes my lipstick stay longer. Always use a good lip balm before makeup. Now I'm going to use a darker neutral lip liner. I'm going to be using a pale lipstick which I don't want looking washed out. For today's makeup, I'm going to skip the lip gloss, but if you want it, go for it. This is for beginners, so I'm not going to be using any contour. But a blush is a must so that your face doesn't look flat. And if you use it in the angle that I'm using it in, then your face will automatically look contoured. Hope you've been finding my videos helpful. Hope people who have not ever used makeup or are scared of makeup are able to at least start. This is relatable and doable everyday makeup. And it will also look glamorous. Because less is literally more. Touch up your Studio Fix or your dry foundation and you're good to go. Do subscribe and follow. I'll see you soon with another very easy look. Take care.